Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about GetResponse Action Automation for Workflows, which is one of our tools that's going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow for you. GetResponse account. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub account, come down here at the app to marketplace, and then you search for the app, GetResponse. You go at install, allow and install. There's a API key required, and as you can notice, we have a small queue here that's going to show you how to get this API key. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our GetResponse account. So we're inside the platform. We come here at tools, at connect, we go at the integrations and API, generate an API key. We can say my API and we generate. And we have the API, we just copy and then we switch back and paste. We're going to continue, we choose a plan, we scroll down and we confirm. Of course, I'm not going to confirm because we're going to be charged. But that's pretty much it, guys. Once you confirm, you just go at complete installation and you have on install, which means that the tool is already connected to your platform. And now you guys are just ready to execute actions directly from your workflow for your GetResponse account. Guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a beautiful team who is very dedicated and available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video, guys.